12 o'clock when I got the information that we were leaving the boat. Let me turn this phone around and show you what I'm talking about. Okay, I had to do all my laundry. Right now I just got a top sheet up of one of their top sheets, my blanket there. I got my pillowcase and one of their pillowcases. No, it's mostly filled. Got a few more items. I probably put a couple more items left in that. This box is full. I still have my coffee maker. I still have a few bathroom items I gotta get in. That bag has my linen in it. There's my galley bag. I have an extra box just in case. That's my K-cups that I purchased. I had 96 of them. And there's more underneath over here that I'm not going to lift everything up because I got it packed just right. This is the box that only has 3 parts to the lid. Oh well. And there's that. And like I said, that. But all my drawers are empty. I still got to finish cleaning the room. Let me turn this phone back around. Hold on. Okay, like I said, I found out that we still have tow work to do. We're still about 60 miles. I think it's about 60 miles from St. Paul. And tow works prior to this next lock, which is lock number 3. Or is it after? Something like that. Then we have to swing by the fleet. Then we have to go past lock number 2. And that's where we'll tie up. But fog is starting to set in. And once we get out of this lake, and on the other side of that lock number 3, and it also depends if the tug service is working. Tow work may not happen till tomorrow morning. So Captain says it might be sometime between lunch and supper, but most likely it'll be around 6 p.m. tomorrow night when I get off this boat. The driver said he's not driving more than 4 hours tomorrow night, meaning we're going to stop and get a hotel. So with that said, we'll get a hotel. By the time we get checked in, it'll be 10, 11 o'clock at night. And I'll do a video then. And then I'll post it. And then I'll go to bed. And then we got like if he does 4 to 5 hours, that means we got 9 to 10 more hours. 10 hours, I would say, at the most, to hit home. We'll get up early in the morning, probably like 5 o'clock in the morning, be home around 4 p.m. And guess what? I'll probably still crash. That's all. Still, if I'm driving, that's different. For some reason, I don't get as tired. But if somebody else is driving, you put me in a passenger seat, as long as I got a pillow and a blanket, I crash. And y'all know, I've said it many times before, I snore. But I was told one of the other guys is pretty bad, and I said, now you haven't seen me. You haven't heard me. But the driver has. And so this is going to be fun. Oh boy, is it ever going to be fun. Anyways, so with that said, I will talk with you guys tomorrow. I'm tired. I got to get all this shit off my bed. I have no idea where the hell I'm going to put it. Because I ain't got much floor space. Hold on. I ain't got much floor space. I got this floor space and a little bit in the bathroom. I'll be stacking shit up. I still have a little bit more packing to do. Put away my little Keurig. Because I'm leaving that for until tomorrow morning. I got to have my coffee. And since we're going to be here all day, I still got to sweep them up. I got to pick up all these other little bitty pieces of trash that where I tossed things and kind of missed. That got behind things. Alright, anyways, I'm tired. So, I will say good night, and I will see you up the river, down the river, or down the road. Bye-bye and good night. Sweet dreams, everybody.